guys! Today we're here to share with you one of the most incredible, indispensable substances on earth, water. It is more than just what we drink or what we use in our daily lives. Water is an extraordinary molecule that made life on earth not just possible, but also thriving. Water is indeed a wonder worth exploring. Before we dig into the physical properties of water, let's take a look at its significance. Water is everywhere. It covers around 70% of our planet, which made it a foundation for all the living things. For example, our body is made up of 60% water, and everything we need depends on water, from growing foods, generating energy, regulating our climate, and even supporting ecosystems.
Water isn't just a combination of hydrogen and oxygen. It is a miracle molecule that influences everything, from your weather patterns to your daily shower fills. So, let's take a closer look at how the simple liquid is anything but ordinary. Have you ever seen raindrops perfectly beat up on a windshield? Or noticed how water seems to defy gravity as it climbs up the stems of plants? Well, it's all thanks to water's adhesive and cohesive powers.
Cohesion is water's ability to stick to itself, while adhesion is its tendency to stick to other surfaces. Together, they create capillary action, the phenomenon that helps water move through plants
And even in tiny spaces like in paper towel or soil. And speaking of amazing properties, let's not forget surface tension, the invisible force that holds water together.
Surface tension is why water forms droplets instead of spreading out. And insects like water striders can walk on its surface.
It's also the reason why I can skip stones across bodies of water, and how the dewdrops look so stunning in the morning light. Without surface tension, our world would look very different and much less magical.
Hey there! So for our next topic, we're going to be tackling another critical property, which is vapor pressure. Let's now talk about the critical property of water, which is vapor pressure, an understated but a critical one. Vapor pressure refers to the amount of forces exerted by water molecules as it goes through air by gas. Relatively low vapor pressure means it has a very slow evaporation rate, leading to an equilibrium in our ecosystem. This also leads to the retaining of moisture in our bodies of water, having a totally stable water cycle, and prevents the rapid depletion of our sources of water. Without this critical property, sustaining life on Earth and having a balance in our climate would be incredibly difficult. Water is like a smooth operator. Its low viscosity allows it to move freely and rapidly, making it the perfect transportation to transport nutrients throughout our body, making it also perfect for rivers and streams, unlike thick and sluggish liquids like honey and syrup, making it the perfect multitasker, keeping life, nature, and even the tiniest cell in perfect harmony. Now here's something truly fascinating. Water is one of the only substances that becomes less dense when it freezes. This is why ice floats in water. When water freezes, its water molecules arrange themselves in a crystalline structure, creating spaces that makes it less dense. Now here's a fun fact. Water is ridiculously high standards. Its boiling point is at 100 degrees Celsius at sea level, much higher than other similar molecules. Now why is that? Because of those strong hydrogen bonds that water molecules form. Breaking up those bonds takes a lot of energy, which is why water stays liquid across a wide range of temperature. Another thing that makes water incredible is its ability to regulate temperature. Water has a high specific heat capacity, which means it can absorb and retain a lot of heat before its temperature changes. This is why oceans and large bodies of water help moderate the Earth's climate, and it's also why your body relies on water to maintain a stable internal temperature.
Finally, let's give a shout out to water's molar heat of vaporization. It is a fancy term for the energy it takes to take 1 mole of liquid water to gas. Per water, it is a whopping 40.79 kilojoules per mole.
That's why sweating works so well. When water evaporates from your skin, it absorbs a ton of heat, cooling you down like nature's natural air conditioner. So the next time you feel refreshed after a workout, thank water for its ultimate sacrifice. It's literally working hard to keep you cool.
So the next time you take a sip of water, remember all the remarkable things it does. From shaping landscapes to sustaining life, water is not just a molecule. It is a masterpiece of nature. Thank you!